So guys, I will continue my DIY to my computer, DELL Alienware R4 ALX. So my plan is to I put polyester in here. This is a transparent, and I remove the original cover. Look, and I remove all the flarings, the plastic. Look. So my plan is to cut here, because I want to use the the sidings, because there is a lock here. So something like this, if you put like that, so look, my plan is to cut here, cut and remove the middle, then I put this polyester in here. So this is my plan. So I think I need a jigsaw to cut. Actually, I bought this. Yes, but I haven't a blade to put in here, so I buy tomorrow to cut. This is still frame. I want to put transparent here because I don't want to hide the lights inside, because I'm put some fan with RGB here and here, and maybe in the top also. So that's why I want to put a wall here, transparent frame here, transparent cover here. So let's do it. So we need to cut this steel frame. Like I said, I cut here, because we need the side, all the side. Okay. So guys, here's my computer, Alienware. I just put the fan with RGB lights, and also there. Now, look. And look what I did. So I cut my original cover in the middle, and I put polyester and transparent plastic here in the middle, and this is the original plastic. And look. Look. And now we put it here like that. Voila. Yes. Actually, it's not yet finished. I just want to put some silicone here in the side. Look. Voila, this is my DIY. Transparent sidings for my Alienware R4 ALX. an old gamer computer. Voila.